If you make this one mistake while texting a girl, you're getting blocked for sure. And trust me, you're probably making it right now without even realizing it. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you know exactly how to text your crush in a way that makes her smile every time she sees your name pop up on her screen. We're going to turn those awkward silences into non-stop, fun conversations. So let's get into the first, most crucial rule. Match her texting energy. Think of it like a dance. If she's taking her time to reply, sending thoughtful, longer messages, you should do the same. If you bombard her with rapid-fire one-word answers while she's writing paragraphs, it creates a weird imbalance. It's like you're not on the same page. Conversely, if she's sending quick fun, emoji-filled texts, and you're replying with formal essays, you'll come across as way too intense. So take a breath. Look at how she texts. What's her pace? How long are her messages? Does she use a lot of emojis or stick to just words? Mirror that style. It's a subconscious signal that you're in sync, that you get her vibe. It's not about playing games. It's about being observant and showing that you can adapt to her communication style, which is a very attractive quality. This brings me to the second rule, and this is the one that gets so many guys blocked. Do not double or triple text. I repeat, do not do it. Imagine this. You send a great message, something you thought was witty and charming. You see that she's read it. The minutes start to tick by. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour. The panic sets in. You think, did she not see it? Was my joke not funny? So you send another text. Hey, just checking in. Still nothing. Now you're really sweating, so you send a third one. And boom, you've just come across as needy, impatient, and insecure. Beautiful girls, and really all girls have lives. They might be in a meeting, driving, talking to their family, or simply not in the mood to text. Sending multiple messages in a row screams desperation. It's like you have nothing else going on in your life but waiting for her reply. So what do you do instead? You send one well-crafted message and you wait. Go live your life. Hit the gym, work on your project, hang out with friends. When she's free and ready to talk, she will reply. Your patience shows confidence, and confidence is incredibly attractive. If she never replies, that's also an answer. It's better to know now than to chase someone who isn't interested. Now, for rule number 3, and this is where the fun begins. Stop interviewing her and start making her laugh. So many guys fall into the interview trap. How was your day? What are your hobbies? What's your favorite color? While these questions come from a good place, they're boring. She's probably answered them 1,000 times. It feels like a job interview, not a flirty conversation. Instead, use humor. Humor is the ultimate cheat code. It creates an emotional connection and makes your chats memorable. Instead of, how was your day? Try something playful based on what you know about her. If she likes coffee, you could say, I hope your day was as strong as your morning espresso. It's cheesy, but it's different and shows you pay attention. Use memes, funny GIFs, or share a short, amusing story about your own day. The goal is to share an experience, not just extract information. Ask open-ended, playful questions. Instead of, what do you do for fun? Try, what's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done? This invites a story and opens up a much more engaging conversation. Make her associate your texts with fun and laughter, not with a boring cue and a session. Let's look at some real examples. A bad text is, hey, that's it. It's lazy and puts all the pressure on her to start the conversation. Another bad one, you're so beautiful. While it might be true, it's a generic compliment she's heard 1,000,000 times, and it focuses only on her looks. It doesn't start a conversation. A good text, on the other hand, is specific and engaging. For example, if you saw in her story that she was at a concert, you could text, that concert looked amazing, I'm officially jealous. What was the best song they played live? This shows you're paying attention to her life, you share an interest, and you're asking a specific question that's easy and fun for her to answer. Here's another comparison. Bad. What are you up to? Good. I'm trying to decide if ordering a whole pizza for myself is a power move or a cry for help. What's your verdict? This is humorous, relatable, and invites a playful debate. See the difference? One is an interrogation. The other is an invitation to have fun. Your goal is to be the highlight of her notifications, not another boring message she has to deal with. Finally, rule number 4. Know when to move the conversation off text. The goal of texting is not to be pen pals forever. The goal is to build enough comfort and attraction to meet in person, or at least have a real conversation. If you've been texting back and forth for a few days, the vibe is good, and the laughs are flowing, that's your window. Don't let the conversation die out by texting for weeks on end. The momentum is key. You can make the transition smoothly. Say something like, I feel like your funny stories would be even better to hear in person. How about we grab that coffee we were talking about this week? Or, if you want to start with a call, you could say, texting is fun, but I'm dying to actually hear your voice. Got a few minutes to chat later tonight? This is confident and direct. It shows you're serious about getting to know her beyond the screen. If she says yes, great. You're moving forward. If she's hesitant, that's okay too. Don't be pushy. Just say, no worries. We can stick to texting for now and keep the vibe positive. The key is to take the shot when the moment feels right. Don't hide behind your keyboard forever. The real magic happens face to face. So, to recap the 4 golden rules. Match her energy, don't double text, use humor instead of interviews, and know when to take it to the next level. If you can master these, you'll stand out from all the other guys flooding her inbox. You'll be the one she's excited to hear from, the one she tells her friends about. And now, I have a challenge for you. I want you to drop some of your best or even your worst text message exchanges in the comments below. Let's all learn from each other. Give us the screenshots, just be sure to blur out any personal info. Let's see what works and what's a total disaster. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content that will help you win in your dating life. We'll see you in the next one.